FRAC were created in the early 80s, so it's more than 30 years. And the goal at that time was to spread the art in France regions. And we do more than 20 exhibitions in the region. Most of the activity are outside of FRAC. We do exhibition in schools, in hospitals. We do some workshop in the prison. And all of our activity are always for free. It's very important. It's because we are an association. And as an association, we really want to provide art for everyone with an easy access and a free access. The question of every FRAC is how to be able to mediate art, to sensibilize people to art in the region. So all of the FRAC thought at one point of a tool to go in the region. Here in FRAC Champagne-Ardenne, we asked a designer called Nathalie Crasset to make furniture for us that will help us make exhibition where there is no wall, where it's not possible to make exhibition. So she invented a big furniture. It's like a star almost, and you can put it in the middle of one room and hang the artwork on this furniture. So even if you have no walls, you can put this everywhere. And this is our particularity because we ordered that from one designer. My program is around the theme of game. I try to program exhibition related to the theme. It's very large though, because the theme of game, as I conceive it, is also a good entry to make a programming with where people would participate, like in a game, participate also together, freely. And for me, a game acts like in the everyday life, because you have rules and you act freely on those rules, but you act always in an ecosystem together with other people. For me, and it's very personal, but for me, art is a space of freedom. Sometimes it allows me to free myself from my everyday life, to free my thinking, to free my creativity. I think it's nice to share, to share with people, and hoping that some of them would get the same feeling of maybe freedom, of debate, want to meet each other, want to talk about art. And yes, I'm hoping that people would share the same pleasure. The FRAC, I really hope it continues to grow in the sense of having more audience and also having more partners. It's really interesting to see how things are growing, because even partners, it's always based on human relationship. So this is like a living organism. If you want people to come, to invite partners, it's really, for me, it's based on human interaction. So what I wish for FRAC is to continue to have this stimulating human interaction. What I would suggest first is to see the maximum of art you can, like exhibition, performances, concert, theater. Try to go out as often as you can. Always pair your studying with professional training.